I'm going to walk you through how to verify that your shiftcals.com schedule shows up and syncs on your Android phone Google Calendar app. So first, make sure you've read or done the instructions on how to add your ShiftCals schedule to your Google Calendar account. That needs to be done from a desktop. It cannot be done from a phone. So after doing that, open the Google Calendar app like I've done here. Click on the menu button in the upper left. Scroll all the way to the bottom to Settings. Under your Google account, click on Show More, and you should see your ShiftCals schedule that you added in the previous tutorial show up here. In this case, Ryan's work schedule. Click on it, and make sure the sync is enabled, or blue. I've clicked that there. Now if I go back to my calendar, it shows up. Sometimes this takes about 5 minutes or so. And you can see when you go to the menu that the schedule is there. Ryan's work schedule. Make sure that there's a checkbox next to it. That means it's enabled and will actually show up on your Google Calendar application. And that's it.